Okay, hi Nana. Good morning, everybody. So, in the previous class, we have discussed about the aldehydes, okay, na, and their isomerism and also nomenclature. Today, we'll discuss the preparations of aldehydes and ketones. Preparations, preparations of carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds mean aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones are called carbonyl compounds. So first from alcohols. From alcohols. From alcohols. So generally the alcohols upon oxidation gives aldehydes. Okay. See, first 1 degree alcohols, if you see, alcohol upon oxidation gives aldehydes or ketones. Also, primary alcohol, if you take primary 1 degree alcohol, if you take, they gives alcohols, and primary alcohols gives aldehydes. Aldehyde upon over oxidation gives carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids. Okay, now. So, and if you take secondary alcohols, okay, secondary alcohols, if you take, they gives ketones. Secondary alcohols gives ketones. So in this case, if you use mild oxidizing agents, mild oxidants, if you use, the alcohols gives aldehydes and ketones. And if you take strong oxidizing agents, if you use strong oxidizing agents, then alcohols directly gives carboxylic acids. Okay, na? Strong oxidants. Strong oxidants. So this is the sequence. The reverse is the reduction. The reverse process is a reduction. Okay, na? So alcohols upon mild oxidation gives aldehydes. Okay, now primary alcohols gives aldehydes, secondary alcohols gives ketones. Then the same alcohols upon strong oxidation, they gives carboxylic acid. So now our target is carbonyl compounds, mean the preparation of aldehydes or ketones. So mild oxidants, mean you can take number one, pyridinium chlorochromate. Pyridinium chlorochromate. Pyridinium chlorochromate. This is also called PCC. This is also called PCC. Pyridinium chlorochromate. Pyridinium chlorochromate. PCC. Okay, now. So this is also called Collins reagent. దీన్ని ఏమంటారు? Collins reagent. Okay, Collins reagent. So pyridinium chlorochromate ఎలా ఉంటుంది? PCC అంటే you can take pyridinium. This is called pyridine. Okay, pyridine plus chromium trioxide plus HCl. Okay, now this is pyridine. This is called pyridine, chromium trioxide and HCl. This is pyridine. Okay, this mixture along with non-aqueous solvent, dichloromethane is the solvent. Okay, pyridinium chlorochromate అని చెప్తారు. This is also, okay, na, it is formed like this N, okay, NHCrO3Cl. This is minus and N get to plus charge. Okay, CrO3Cl, right? So this is one of the reagent, and the second reagent, if you say that is pyridinium dichromate. Second one example is pyridinium dichromate. Pyridinium dichromate mean that is you can take this is the pyridine, okay, C6H5N. The formula is C6H5N. Okay, pyridinium dichromate Cr2O7. So these are 2. This is -2. Okay, this is pyridinium dichromate. Pyridinium dichromate. Okay, now. So these are the reagents, and third reagent you can use MnO2 also, manganese dioxide. Okay, and also number 4, chromic acid, HCrO4 in the presence of acidic media, acetone in the presence of acetone also we can use. Okay, and also number 5, CrO3 in the presence of acidic medium. These are generally mild oxidizing agents. Mild oxidizing agents. So the best reagents are PCC and PDC. The best reagents are PCC and PDC. PCC and PDC. Okay, now these are the best reagents, right? So strong oxidizing agents. Number 1, KMnO4 in acidic medium. Number 2, K2Cr2O7 in acidic medium, and also you can use HNO3. These are the best strong oxidizing agents. So these oxidizing agents converts direct alcohols to acids. Alcohols to acids. Okay, na? But mild oxidizing agents, alcohols gives aldehydes or ketones. Okay. Now we are going to take some examples. So examples. Okay, right, that is primary alcohol. Okay, primary alcohol, this is primary 1 degree alcohol upon oxidation. Okay, oxidation means you can take PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate. Okay, now PCC or PDC you can take, PCC or PDC. Okay, directly the products are aldehydes. Okay, and if you take secondary alcohol, 2 degree alcohol with the same above reagents, the products are ketones. Okay, now the products are ketones. The byproduct is water. So if you take 3 degree alcohols with the above reagents, no reaction. Okay, now 3 degree alcohols not react with PCR, mild oxidizing agents. Okay, 3 degree alcohol not react with the tertiary alcohols. Okay, now you can take pyridinium dichromate or PCC or chromium trioxide. Okay, now you can use, but the best reagents I am saying, that is this. Okay, now if you take chromium trioxide, sometimes over oxidations also takes place. So these are the best reagents, right? Now examples. So you can take for example allylic alcohol. This is allylic alcohol. So allyl alcohols, the best reagent manganese dioxide. Okay, now without affecting double bond, alcohol can be converted into aldehyde. Okay, now this is acrolein. Okay, acrolein. So you can take benzyl alcohol. For example, this is the benzyl alcohol. The benzyl alcohol upon oxidation, okay, na, with HCrO4, okay, in acetone, Jones reagent antar దీన్ని. So it gives benzaldehyde. Okay, this is acetone. This is called acetone. Okay, CH3. So this is benzaldehyde. benzaldehyde or benzene carbaldehyde. Okay, and if you take methanol, this is the methanol. Okay, the brands of PCC or PDC, any mild oxidizing agent you can take. Then the product is formaldehyde. దీన్నే మిథనాల్ అంటారు, ఫార్మాల్డిహైడ్. అదర్వైజ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో కాల్డ్ యాజ్ మిథనాల్, రైట్? సో నెక్స్ట్, for example, if you take isopropyl alcohol, this is called as isopropyl alcohol. This is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropanol or isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol reaction with PCC or PDC, pyridinium dichromate or pyridinium chlorochromate. The product is acetone. The product is acetone. Product is acetone. This is secondary alcohol, na? Secondary alcohol gives acetone, right? So some more examples. So this is an alcohol. Upon PCC, if you take benzophenone, acetophenone. This is called as acetophenone. Otherwise, this is alcohol. This is secondary alcohol. Okay. So PDC you can take, anything you can take, PDC or PCC also you can take. Okay, now this is benzophenone, right? So these are oxidation methods.